Okay, gang, 6.5, number 53, gonna go over this homework. The dividend is quite large here. It is in order, so I can just copy it down. All right, now it's up to you. In terms of, I know this is missing a degree, but it's not a problem if it's in the divisor. It's a problem when it's in the dividend, because the dividend has to line up in columns. The divisor doesn't have to line up in columns. So you don't have to fill in the hole here. I will, because some students just prefer it. So I'll do it, but you could totally ignore the green over here. It's absolutely not necessary. There's no columns over here, so I don't have to worry about it this time. All right, so let's see. What times this makes this? It's going to be a 5h squared. All right, so this times this is 10h to the 4th. If you're doing the green, this, anything times 0 is 0, but it's going to be 0 of this category, because h squared, h is the, you have 0 of the h cubed category. This times is 45h squared. Some people like that, some people don't. You know, sometimes it's just more stuff is confusing. It's just up to you. Opposite everybody's sign. That goes -6 minus 0 is still -6. This -49 plus 45 is minus 4h squared. Pull down the next guy. All right, let's play it again. This times this makes that, so it's got to be a -3h. Right, got to match it exactly the first swing through. Okay, for those of you doing the green, times 0 is, it doesn't, plus or minus 0 is neutral. It doesn't matter if you put a plus or minus in front. Okay, this times this is plus 27h. Okay, let's opposite. Okay, -4h squared. That goes away. You don't really need to put a 0 here. You can if you want to. You could say you have no h's, 0 h's, but you don't need to. Alright, last swing through. Going to multiply this by a -2. So this times this is -4h squared. This times this is positive 18. Alright, I'm going to opposite my signs. This goes, this is a 1. Okay, woo, that was a long one. So this is the answer with the remainder. So on the test, you can just leave it like this. Some people write R1. Some people write it completely out. I'm not a stickler with notation and formatting. 1 over 2h squared minus 9. Okay, so it's sort of up to you if you want to leave it how you want to leave it. You could just leave it just like this on the test, the way you wrote it. Okay, gang, that's it on this one for the homework. Catch you.